Today we are in Mumbai and we are giving ourselves a cheeky challenge to live off our YouTube income for an entire day in this amazing city. So we have loaded our exact amount that we made yesterday onto our Wise account, and that was $167.50 Australian cents, which equals 10,734 Indian rupees and 33 Indian rupee cents. I'm not sure if that's correct, but I think that's actually quite a lot of money and it's going to get us quite far. We've got the gym, we've got coffee, I'm trying to get my lashes done, we're going to have a good feed, so we'll see how we go. We've been using Wise for the past 2 years whilst travelling full time and love it. They use mid-market exchange rates, not the marked up ones. And there are less fees for the transactions whenever you're taking money compared to using your card that you might at home. So if you are heading overseas anytime soon, do not use your own bank card. Click the link in the description below and grab your own free Wise card on us.
First things first is we need to get to the gym, and we are in an Uber. Ubers are so freaking cheap here.
They are, and very convenient. They're so quick.
Yeah, so quick. So we just got one and it was 328 rupee, which is like $5. And I think that is like, it's going to be a half an hour trip, 20-minute trip.
20 minutes, I think.
Yeah, so pretty good at this time of morning to come, because by 8-9 o'clock then it's going to get really busy and probably the traffic will take us a bunch longer. Right now it's looking pretty good. Pollution's not too bad.
Yeah, not too bad today. The last couple of days it's been a bit hazy.
Yeah.
But sun's out.
Sun's
We're
out.
excited.
Training in Mumbai.
Yeah, time
Let's
to
go.
find a cool gym.
I think
Alright, where are we going?
I think fitness.
Where's that? Apparently up here on the 4th floor. Hello. What do you reckon it's going to be per casual visit? I'm thinking like, oh. So we made it inside. It cost us 2,000 rupee total, which is 30 Australian dollars. I was actually quite shocked. What about you? I thought it was... yeah, it's sick. It's really cool. It's quite aesthetic. Good vibe. There's a coffee shop, good machines. So yeah, we're stoked. But I know, I feel like I'm in a roller coaster. Anyway, we're going to train back of legs today. So we've got some glutes and some hammies to work through. Tice might do a bit of front of leg as well, but I'm a little injured, so I can't. But yeah, I'm excited. This place has ice baths or ice showers. It's got sauna, steam room, coffee shop. It's a vibe. I think fitness. I think I like it.
only gyms in India would be able to afford the amount of staff that are on shift here right now, which is like 30. But we were going to go to Gold's Gym as well, because they've got a Gold's Gym here in Bandra too, but this one looked way better, and I'm pretty glad we did. We're getting a good leg session, that's for sure. They also have these cool coffee shops, Java File in here, and that's one of the popular coffee places in Mumbai. We're going to take you to another one very soon, probably our favourite. Very expensive. I don't know if it's going to fit in the budget, but we're pretty pumped to get that in us.
That one?
That's a famous South Indian joint, Bene. We got suggested that so many times, and there's a girl tightroping.
She's probably going to want money. Time to get some money out. It's very warm. We are on the way to get coffee, but we just realised we've got no cash, so we've got to get some cash out. How much are we going to get?
$2 million. No, I don't know, whatever we got for the day. Get a couple of thou?
Yeah, let's get 5 thou. Thinking about the ATM rooms, they have like 4 aircrafts in here. Never forget the card. This one is
on the way to find Abby's lashes today.
Yeah.
Lashes today. Abby,
Like I get everything else done.
Abby gets all the stuff done.
No, I only get lashes.
It makes up 20% of our adventures. But yeah, I'm just gonna go drop her off because you gotta do these things, and then I'll go find a coffee. But one thing about Mumbai is the amount of time it takes you to get somewhere is not about the distance, it's about how much traffic there is. And right now, it actually looks not too bad. Easier when you're walking as well. It's pretty quick when we're walking.
Still always so many things to dodge and like potholes though.
Yeah.
You can't be on your phone, that's for sure.
No, you can't be. No walking with the phone, that's for sure.
Texting.
Alrighty. Looks like this building burnt down. Big fire.
Can you see my lashes? I asked for a very natural, and I feel like they've almost done them so natural that you can't tell, but I've had them done. Can you tell?
I think they look great.
Anyway, they were really lovely, and it turned out to be 3,000 rupee. So I'm going to do a quick little conversion in our Wise app. $45.87. So pretty good. I think in Australia they're like $120, so I'm pretty happy with that. And they were so fast. Usually I'm there for like an hour and a half, and by the end of getting my lashes done I'm so agitated and can't lie down anymore, but they were like 45 minutes, so very happy, very speedy, and pretty good. Well within the budget as well. I think it's time to eat though. What do you reckon? I'm starving. We're going to go find a good place to eat. Ty's has planned somewhere epic for lunch, a traditional Indian, North Indian?
I think it's
And we think it's North Indian, but we'll see. So I think we will order an Uber and head there now.
Might have to do a tuk-tuk.
Might have to do a tuk-tuk. It's 12:21. And then, we'll go have a feed and then finish up the day with a nice chai and tea. So what did you do while I was gone, and was it in the budget?
Of course. Well, I couldn't have another coffee because I feel like I'm off on a bloody rocket ship right now. So we've had like 3 double shots this morning, so my heart's racing. So I just got some soda water and just hung out here and did some work, and it was really chill. Yeah.
How much else?
263
Oh,
rupee.
Conversion on the screen here.
Absolute bargain. We're here.
Eat my arm off.
Abby's starving.
So hungry.
This place is
Down.
very popular. We had to put our name down, so we're waiting for a table. But that's a good sign. Good sign when it's popular. Yeah.
Exactly, especially with the locals.
I know. We're pumped.
We've got about 3,000 rupee left. My eyelashes took a big chunk of the spending today. I apologise. Sacrificing your food.
I think
But
they're
I think
gonna
it'll
still
last.
gonna
I
go
mean,
under.
Dad's coming to meet us though, so
Yeah.
they've got to pay for 3 peeps.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
Food's the cheapest thing
Yeah,
here.
food is the cheapest thing,
Yeah.
so I reckon we can make it work.
I reckon.
With some masala, some onion, and this is sweet and little bit hot.
Oh, yeah.
Curd.
Good. Good.
And this is coriander pancake.
Very nice.
And the one
yum.
which is right on top is white butter.
White butter. Okay.
That is also homemade.
Coriander pancake. Oh, that's fantastic. Yeah, that's good. That is really, really great.
I'm excited.
That's so tasty. Coriander pancake
For the win.
is a 10 out of 10.
Dad, by the way. This is Don.
Gone. Oh, good. That is so good.
I love a pancake.
Abby prefers multigrain. I'm gonna have to choose the coriander pancake. But it's so good with this. This is yogurt and spices. It tastes like yogurt curry, which is like what we make in Australia. So good. Oop. Look at that.
It looks chocolatey.
It's most unusual. I doubt it.
I doubt it too.
It's chocolatey. Abby's gonna be in for a rude shock.
Oh.
Vegetable.
Let's have a look inside. sweet potato or something, carrot.
Yeah. You're going to want to eat the whole thing.
That's
Oh,
right.
I'll hold it.
Wow, looks yum. You can finish it off.
It's actually so good.
One of those.
Definitely could have just done one.
Yeah.
That's insane, guys. That's way too much food, guys.
Look at these foodies.
Oh, those breweries.
Alright, what have we got?
Damn. It's the thali, special thali. It's got a bit of everything, you know. You're just going to have to try it.
Go for it.
Might try the carrot.
Potato masala. A couple of dals, yogurt curry.
So
Yum. How much? No. There we go. So we've still got 2,000 left. All that food for $30, $15. Wow. Finished up our lunch and we have 2,000 rupee to spare.
I know.
Pretty good.
Really good. And the food was fantastic.
It was
I loved
yummy.
it.
Yeah, it was great. So we are walking home now. It's about a 20-minute walk. We're going to go via a park to try and find some delicious chai and then head on home and we'll tally up. How much? No dinner for you guys. Yeah, just meat for dinner.
Yum.
So tasty.
Okay, tasty, but very hot.
Hot.
Very hot.
How much was it?
Well, we gave him 100 rupee.
Yeah.
He was going to give it to me, but it's 100 rupee. We still don't really know.
You should know.
$1.50. I think 64 rupees for $1.
Yum. Okay, so we are going to have dinner at home because I ate a lot of food.
Yeah, you ate a lot of food
I ate a
today.
lot
yeah,
of
we don't
food.
need to be eating out today, but we could.
We
With
could.
the money left over, we could.
Yeah, and we're going to tell you in a second because honestly, we didn't hold back today,
Nah.
did we?
Nah, and I got my lashes done. There was beauty appointments in there.
Yeah.
And our budget went a long way. So originally we had 10,728 rupee to spend, which is around 167 AUD.
Yeah.
Tice, what did we spend?
We spent 8,470 rupees, which is $132.25 in AUD. Very, very small.
Yeah, absolutely crazy. Well, I mean, 132, it's still a lot, but I mean, 65 or 45 of that was my beauty appointments. So.
Yeah, and if you consider all the other places we go, and we sometimes we'll try to do our YouTube income and spend it in a day, and pretty much every single time we
fail.
spend.
Every single time we fail. And then remaining, we had 2,258 rupee, which is about $35 left. So we could have done another gym session each.
Another gym session. We could have eaten that dinner 10 times. It was only
For the whole
1,000
amount?
rupee.
Yeah,
10
crazy.
times for to have that dinner. It was crazy. Food is so cheap here. But it just goes to show how far your money can go in India. And, if you want to come over here, it could be a really exciting holiday for you.
And a cheap one. Awesome, guys. Thanks so much for watching today. Thank you again, Wise, for sponsoring this video. If you want your own Wise card, we couldn't recommend it enough. Honestly, we use ours daily and they are so handy.